No.
Alright, I'm going to do 3 mags, brown bear, max DM.
Okay. I'll do 5 like you did.
I found out when another one that you have.
Give me a clap. That was 4.
Whoa.
Those be able to put them in.
Should be working good. Alright, you cut it off. Alright, what's up guys and girls YouTube? Here it is, a swivel chair review of the 9mm brown bear Luke. Or what you just saw was me unloading 3 magazines from XDM. That's about 57 rounds. Flawlessly. The only problem I kind of had so far... Whoop, I ain't going that far yet. Hold on. I know what you guys are thinking. I had 250 rounds. And y'all thinking
I got to know.
now the only problem I had was one problem, but that was when my son was shooting the pistol, and he's only 10 years old, and I was trying to get this lip wristed.
Huh?
Go ahead. Oh, what do we get?
Huh?
Uh-oh. Probably because you're not holding it strong enough. I think my son, you know, he limp wristed a little bit. Failed feed. Other than that, we're still testing his ammo. Okay, only thing I noticed was a little, when I was loading the magazine, I thought I saw a little bit of scraping of residue on the lip, or whatever you want to call this part. And I went and grabbed another box here, so I'm going to just open up a box real quick. Comes in a plastic tray. Kind of a greenish looking round there. You can see there's lacquered cases, but hey, I shot 250 rounds, no problem whatsoever. I didn't even see no smoke or nothing. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, only problem was my son, he kind of limp wristed it, but you know, I had him shooting the high point, he didn't have no problem. I guess because it's a blowback design. I don't know if that really runs into it, but if you don't believe me, check this out.